Despite giving it their all every week, the New South Wales team haven't won a single challenge or even a room reveal. And it's week 8.
Still proud of what we do. You know, we haven't won nothing, we're still going, so.
What's the vibe on House 5 winning?
Truly happy for them. Like, good on them for winning. But how does it happen again? That's the vibe. And the only thing that sucks is I just added up their winnings and I'm like, it's a lot of money. A lot of money that I wish I had. I wish I had.
Budget's looking very grim. Very grim.
Our blockheads were given 21 grand this week to finish off their upstairs space, while each team carried over money from previous weeks. Sarah and George only had a measly $580 to add to the kitty. And with 4.8 metre ceilings to plaster, the budget isn't enough to even cover trades.
And so it's a sad scenario this week because I've had to ask my trades for help and, you know, help us out, please. And I hate asking them to cut pay and stuff, but I actually wouldn't have been able to finish the room if I didn't.
That's the heartbreaking thing, to be honest.
Look, we really wanted the win, or needed the win, I should say, after the week we've had. I think out of everyone, we felt like we needed it the most.
We were disappointed in ourselves. Are you all right?
Just tired, just exhausted.
Why don't you just have a lay down for an hour or two? Just have a lay down. I'll hold the fort, have a nap. Right? Just cry. Everyone feels it when you're not happy.
Gets to a point where I can't be strong anymore, and then I just let all that out, and that's just an eruption of emotion.
Sarah, just want a bit of time out.
Yeah, a little bit of time out. Just exhausted.
I'm all right. I just, I'm good. Just so worried about Sarah.
It's all right, mate. We'll get through it. It's hard to see your loved one going through difficult times.
And that's the hardest thing, mate. Yeah, she's taken it to heart, man. She's a big soul, so you know, constant criticism is hard for her. So, yeah, you know, I feel sorry for her.